From this point now, we would be obviously just wanting to brush the membrane into the primer, just to consolidate the two together, remove any air bubbles. You can adjust the actual spray gun and the width of the spray pan by using this. You just simply turn that, and obviously that will reduce the amount of flow of the liquid to reduce the width of the spray pattern. Okay, so we're going to just basically demonstrate the adjustability that you can obviously get along this edge here. So I'm now going to adjust the spray gun to widen the spray pattern out. Now I've got the full width. Just good even coats across the surface.